Hi traders, this is Partiban. Today is 10th March 2016, Thursday, 2 p.m. Okay, I've spotted an opportunity in New Zealand yen. This is the H4 chart. This is the H4. Okay. See, when I look at the price action story over here, it's a very clear downtrend at this area. Okay, very clear downtrend. And overall, market still in a uptrend. Do you guys agree with me? Is it? Let me repeat the sentence. There's a short-term reversal at this area, but overall in long term it's uptrend. Why? Higher high, higher low. See, this is the low. The market have created higher high, and this is higher low. So overall it is uptrend, and market form a pin bar, a very valid pin bar. So I place a buy trade. But when you look at the short term, market created a very clear downtrend, lower low, lower high, and then lower low, lower high. You see, very clear downtrend, and it formed a 2-bar reversal, which is so deep. So market have very high potential to test here and then form a pin bar. Then I'll go short over here to go downtrend with the market. But if the market break above this key level, assume that it break above this and then created a new high, then it's uptrend, continuing uptrend. So I'm going to keep my trade till here. So that will be I say that will be almost like 220 pips, 220 pips. So okay, just for example, I've placed a 0.23 volume, which is gonna be $2.30. Let's say I make 200 pips, so it's gonna give me, okay, this is pips, 230, this is gonna be $460. With a single trade you can earn $460 with a proper money management, with a proper knowledge of price action. This is possible, but at the moment it's a counter trend, so I'm just targeting this level. If it break above this, then I'm going to grow my profit to reach this level. If not, it'll be half of it. Okay, half of it. Okay, and then looking back at the Aussie Swiss franc, a very clear uptrend. Higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. This is a 2-bar reversal, but it's not completed. I mean, I would say this is a 2-bar reversal, but not so A class setup or anything. So I'll wait for next candle to form, which is 6 p.m. GBP, CAT, Aussie, New Zealand dollar. Wow, this is so good, you see. So a big spike here. We can trade on this, but I'm looking for some confirmation over here. If there's a confirmation, then I'll go and trade. This is not a so good pin bar. I'll be sharing this in my classes. Why I don't trade this pin bar. Even market have rise almost 250 pips over here. Okay. GBP AUD. Okay, one of my students asked me, Partiban, can I trade GBP Australia dollar? There's a pin bar set up here. Okay, I would say this pin bar is very valid. And then clear downtrend, and then you go sell here. But I don't trade this because you see it created lower low, lower high, lower low, and lower high. But the candle over here, the price action story over here is very little, very limited. It's just 2 candle, and then third is a pin bar. There's not much price action story over here for us to read. You see a very clear downtrend, it formed like a 2-bar reversal and then another pin bar. So to me it's like buyers and sellers are there, and I'm waiting for next couple of candles to make a decision. So I'm going to stay out of this pair. One more confirmation. Okay, GB USD CAD. Okay. So I mean, all the New Zealand dollar pair formed a very good, spike. It's a very good spike. This is New Zealand Swiss franc. Okay, 168 pips. How much is this? 280 pips. Wow, that's a lot. That's a lot. Okay, that's interesting. You see a very clear downtrend. Low, high, low, high. This is two bar. I mean, engulfing bar. There's a pin bar here. Market drop. Okay, another one of my student have asked me, Partiban, can I trade this pin bar in euro yen? Okay, this pin bar is very valid. Okay, because if you just look at the pin bar, okay, it's valid. But if you look at the price action story, high, low, high, low. I'm looking for buy setup. Okay, this pin bar is in a buy setup. But when you look at the short term, we can trade this. But at short term, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. Still, it's in downtrend. So I cannot be trading on this. I need for more confirmation. This if it break above this, then it's uptrend. Not much room for us to manage the trade here. There's a very limited room for us to manage the trade. But the chances for it to rise is high because tonight there is a euro interest rate news, minimum bid rate at 8:45 p.m. So this can be very volatile. And 9:30 p.m. Euro and USD news. It's a Canadian news also. So if this kind of major news is at night, market will not move so much during the afternoon session or evening session. So we can just, I've taken a position here. So staying out of the market for the other currency pairs, especially euro currencies. So if the interest rate is negative, whatever gone up can be correct down. So it has a very high potential for the downward correction. So can I see any pattern here in 15 minutes? This is the low point. High, low, high. Market have to break and then form a new high, lower high. Then we can go selling over here because this is a skinny lake. There'll be another lake form here. Okay, there'll be another skinny lake. So when I see the news, it has a potential for the ECB interest rate, okay, to be negative and then market drop. Okay guys, safe trade, and hope you guys benefit from this video. Always trade safe with the proper money management. That will protect you and keep you in the game for very long period of time. It's not how much profit you make counts, how much profit you keep makes a difference. Okay, trade safe. Thank you.